Sana got a lovely birthday present from her dad. She loved it very much. She went to look in the mirror. Oh my god, I look like a clothes hanger. She shared her feeling with her friend Fatima. Fortunately, she came up with a solution. An Instagram profile. Sana checked the page. Swish, a video opened and it said, "Do you feel like your clothes belong to someone else? Well, the Tailor Truck is on action. Make some alterations to your clothes, which includes tightening, lengthening, fixing buttons, zippers, adjusting shoulders. Take your phone, send a message, and book a session with us. We'll be waiting for you at your doorstep with Tailor Truck." Sana instantly texted them and the Tailor Truck team arrived, measured, corrected, and prepared Sana's special dress. And thus, she wore it to her birthday party and shone as a diamond. It was a perfect fit for her. The Tailor Truck, your fashion solution, is now a call away. Give us a message on our WhatsApp number 971-544-207-575 and we will be right at your service.